شلون؟
باشا
هو ايش اقصدك؟
نانسي كذا تتا مكتبي
ليرة مكتبي يعني كويس ديك دورة
كم مكتبي مكتبي شو هي
ايه ايوه باشا ده اقول خانانية
لا والله طلعوا اي حيوان انا
ايه
حيوان
ايوه
شاخي نابل ما قلت شيء لا والله قال من شو اسطاني
هولي باص زواني لبريانا رجلك يعني اسمر هاتينو كم بكي ابتكا بابروين تعفي. We were on the way and saw this family. Let's see what they do. They pick something. Okay. سلام. شلونك؟ باشا شكور. خذ بالك خلقي شوي.
خلقي فيرين.
رني بتيرا. أو خزوانا. ديك تندري خزوانا كي؟ هلا دي خون؟ لا ما دك تنبو معدي هذا تواني هلا قلت ده تواني بتصير بارع أبو معدي زرتك بو أيلو تواني بس كل أنا أخيس وارد بتي ما تين كدي بس خوش به هذا جوجي شي بيونا معنا أبو معدي زرتك I don't know what's the name of this in English. Actually, we have this in our city. We have this a lot. This is so good for stomach. For and we use it in several kinds of. This is garden of grapes, and we come here to buy some grapes. The name of here is Rashanke, and just look at this grapes. It's so good, and here is for the Duhok province. Let's see what kind of fruits they have. From a very beautiful place from Amedi. Yes, Amedi. It's very beautiful. Let's see it together. Let at first show you this part. Just look. The city of Amedi is small but old. In this city, which is 5,000 years old, only 1,200 houses have been built, and it's not possible to expand the city due to the lack of land. Here is really amazing. Here is so beautiful, and we take some photo. Now it's sunset. Look. We are on the way to the city center of Amedi. As you can see on the way, there is a lot of restaurant, coffee, and also stores that they have the traditional clothes and also the handicrafts. Look at Here is one part of bazaar. Actually, it's not bazaar. It's on the way, but it's so beautiful. Just look at this. They're so beautiful. Alet ya bu kadar. Do you know that the city of Amedi also has several historical places in its heart? Unfortunately, we couldn't go and visit there because it gets dark and we couldn't visit. We come to this restaurant in Amedi, drink tea. Just look at this wall. It's part of the mountain and it's very, very nice. We didn't eat our dinner in Amedi, and now we are on the way to go back to Erbil, and we come to a restaurant in here. There you go, guys. This is entertainment. In here, you know, they have a lot of entertainment. That's khojba. This is my food. Biscuits, and this. We finished our food. It was good. Now we wanna come back to Erbil. Yeah, thank you for staying with me. Until another video. Bye bye. Take care.